Ready? Start. My submission is that in this way the youth of the country have gone adrift. You should make efforts to put them on the right path. I would like the government to conduct a survey as to the quantity of arms and ammunitions smuggled into the country, the number of smugglers apprehended, and the number incarcerated. The smuggling of arms into the country has put the security of the country in jeopardy. I would therefore submit to the Honorable Minister that extending the period by 3 years will not suffice. On the other hand, the law should be enforced strictly, and the 2 years sentence to the smugglers and 10 years to the farmers being awarded at present should be reversed. The smugglers should get more punishment and should not be given any facilities in the jail. They get facilities because they donate money to the Congress party and also become the candidates of the Congress party. When it gets money in this way, the Congress party thinks that let the country go to hell. One who does not care for the country, one who does not care for Mother India. I think only Congress party people say that they have nothing with them. They have nothing to do with the smugglers. They have not seen even their face. I am not saying about you. You have been returned as an honorable minister of parliament. You will raise the question of privilege. I am resuming silence, otherwise, there may be a question of privilege. I can say a little bit to the honorable member. I submit that in the interest of the country, the smugglers should be awarded more punishment and remunerative price paid to farmers producing opium in the country. The spirit behind the bill is commendable, but I am not in favor of the government's tendency to come to the House repeatedly for seeking extension for 2 or 3 years. I definitely support the spirit behind this bill, but the farmers should get benefits in the country. Smuggling should be curbed. Entry of weapons from abroad should be checked. The country guarded against Pakistan and the borders of our country guarded properly. The interest of the country is supreme and not the smuggling. Para. Madam, you gave me an opportunity to speak. Some honorable members listened to me attentively and some tried to disturb me. I excuse them for that and conclude. Stop.